but I think it's fair to say that Verity is very, very, very important in our school. And that's not just because she's done a brilliant job with the hot lunches, but you've been involved in the school for a long time, isn't that right, Bernie? So would you like to tell us some of the things that you've done over those years?
I've been to football matches, swimming lessons, graphic designing, art, retail. I live down the road, so the rabbit and it always come up.
So anytime we were in trouble and we needed help, we used to ring you, is that what used to happen? That's exactly what happened.
And I come up and find songs out.
And we're very lucky to have, it's great to have somebody that when you are in trouble, you can ring. Can you take it? And you always said yes, and you always came up. And you helped the school out during COVID as well, isn't that right?
Yes.
And also then, when we got our hot lunches, we said, well, we need somebody to help to heat up the food and to get it ready for all the classes. And you said yes to that as well. And I know that last year's sixth class and this year's sixth class all loved working with you as well.
We're all very helpful.
Well, I think it's one thing to do your job right, but I think it's another thing when you're very kind to people and helpful and generous to make other people feel good about the job that they're doing as well. And I think that's one of the things that has made you very special in our school here. And to give her a big round of applause. With the hot lunches now. But it's an important thing to say that all good things come to an end, they don't last forever. And instead of feeling sad, I think it's even more important to remember the good times and also to let you know that you will still be invited to our staff nights out and other occasions. So I hope if we do still ring you, that you'll still always say yes. And just on behalf of the school, we just have a small presentation for you.